Why is fall the season that all of my favorite brands start releasing the most irresistible pieces? Hi, I'm Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a Doen keep versus return video. Doen has definitely evolved into one of my favorite brands, and while I really love their summer pieces, I'm not a huge Doen fall shopper. So today I thought that I would try out a few things and see how they go. Fall colors are not typically within my personal palette. They tend to lean a little too warm for me, and Doen is known to really bring on the warm fall tones during the season, so that's why I'm not typically big on them in the fall. But a few things caught my eye and I think that they might work for me, so please let me know what your favorites are, what you think I should keep, and what you think I should return. All right, first I'm gonna start with the most basic piece, which might be a little boring to some, but to be honest, this is probably the item that I'm most likely to keep out of all these things. Little spoiler. I really love Doen's Pointel cotton basics that they do, and what made this one so attractive to me is I loved that the buttons went all the way to the bottom, so it's kind of like a little lightweight cardigan style. Also, I'm not sure if their cotton quality changed at all, but it feels softer than ever. I actually felt this in person first before I ordered it. I went into the store and this is one of the first things I touched, and it's so incredibly soft. I knew that it would make the perfect fall layer for under sweaters and other pieces. They didn't end up having my size in store, so I did have to go ahead and order it online, but I do think this is a strong contender for a piece that I will keep. Here is the Pointel knit up close. Here are the buttons up close, and they're pretty standard, but what I love the most about this is that I can wear this buttons all the way up or all the way down. It can be kind of like a lightweight cardigan, especially right now when we're in a bit of a transition period with the weather. The next piece that I purchased is the Hardy top. I believe this one sold out pretty fast, but I'm hoping that they're bringing more back. I know that they have it in other colors. This is the top that they have done before. They do it in short sleeve and tank top version in the summer, and then long sleeve in the fall. This is also 100% cotton. It's very floaty, and I would describe it as like semi-sheer. You can see my hand through it. So this is also a great transition piece because of its lighter weight when you're craving a little bit of fall fashion, but the weather is still a little bit warm. I really love the color. I'm a big fan of red and burgundy. I'm not 100% sure if this is the best color on me, so you'll have to tell me what you think about it. But I do think it is a fun pop of color, especially with my pretty neutral wardrobe. I envision myself wearing this the most with black denim, and I think this would be a really good top to wear to work and in the daytime. The next piece that I picked out is this beautiful cashmere cable knit sweater. The main thing that drew me to this one is that I've just been loving cardigans lately. They're the perfect layer for most of the dresses that I own in my wardrobe. I also really love the way they look when they're fully buttoned up with a pair of slim denim. I have one other cardigan, and it is a really dark charcoal gray, so I thought that adding a lighter toned beige gray to my wardrobe would be a really good essential for me. I've owned one other Doen sweater in the past, and I really liked it, but it was really heavy. I like that this one is a little bit of a lighter weight knit, and I like that this one is cropped as well because I am shorter, so I think this will be perfect paired back to most of my pants and dresses. Here is the cable knit up close, really classic and beautiful, and I am just planning on styling this in the most simple of ways, but super cozy sweater for fall. The final piece that I selected was the bijou dress. This is a dress silhouette that Doen has done year over year, and I've actually never tried it on, so I thought this would be a fun opportunity to do so. I've never really been drawn to the other colors and prints of the bijou dress, so I've always passed on it mainly for that reason, but I really love this floral print that they did it in. It's really pretty. Once again, it is kind of warm toned, so I'm not 100% sure if this is the best coloring for me, but the blues offset some of these warmer browns, so I thought that I'd give it a try. Trying on this silhouette, I am not 100% sure if I love the shape on my body type. It's really pretty, but it's not standing out to me as something that I would get a lot of use out of. It's not feeling super versatile with the rest of my wardrobe or the accessories that I might pair it with. And while I really do like the blue, I think that this garment leans a little too warm for me. But overall, it's a really nice weight. It's not see-through at all. I know sometimes Doen dresses can be a little sheer. This one is not. This is completely opaque. The shearing is really gorgeous. I love the shape of the sleeves. And I think this is just such a classic dress of theirs. So if you're interested, I would definitely give it a try. So that is it for my little 4-piece Doen haul. What do you think I should keep and what do you think I should return? I'm struggling a little bit because I just want to make sure that I'm selecting the most versatile pieces for my own wardrobe. Have you shopped this fall's Doen collection yet at all? Obviously, they'll be releasing a few other drops throughout the fall season, so I guess we'll wait and see what else they add to the site. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!